Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today we'll show you how to reset audio drivers in Windows 10 in a simple and effective way. This video will help you fix sound issues by safely resetting your audio drivers step by step. Step 1. Click on the Windows 11 search box located on the taskbar and type Device Manager. This tool lets you view and control all the hardware drivers installed on your system, which is essential for fixing audio problems. Step 2. Click on Device Manager from the search results to open it. Once opened, you'll see a list of hardware categories that helps you manage drivers easily from one place. Step 3. Locate sound, video, and game controllers and double-click on it. This section contains all the audio-related drivers used for sound playback and recording on your PC. Step 4. Find your audio driver, such as Realtek high-definition audio or high-definition audio device. Identifying the correct driver is important because this is the component responsible for producing sound. Step 5. Right-click on the audio driver and click Disable Device. Disabling the driver temporarily stops it, which helps reset any glitches or conflicts causing audio issues. Step 6. Click Yes to confirm and allow the system to restart if prompted. Restarting ensures Windows properly applies the change and clears temporary driver errors. Step 7. After the computer restarts, open Device Manager again using the search box. This allows you to re-enable the driver and complete the reset process. Step 8. Go back to Sound, Video, and Game Controllers and double-click to expand it. You'll now see the previously disabled audio driver listed there. Step 9. Right-click on the disabled audio driver and click Enable Device. This reloads the driver fresh, which often restores normal sound functionality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows troubleshooting videos.